AI is changing the game, at least that's what people say, but it's not true. People who are using AI are changing the game. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple way on how almost anyone can make $4,000 to $5,000 a month using AI and a special website that is neglected by 99% of the people. The most surprising part is that this method is free. You don't have to invest any money in it. According to Entrepreneur magazine, AI is quietly creating millionaires and 99% of people will miss out on this. But a lot of people are getting it wrong. AI is not the panacea. AI is not making the money itself. People, you are making the money using AI. Most people see AI as a job killer, and it is. But beneath that chaos, a quiet revolution is creating a new class of millionaires. And this is how AI creates new wealth and millionaires. For decades, wealth was built on effort. The harder you worked, the more you earned. That model is dead. And like I said, today wealth is built on leverage, tools and systems that multiply your effort exponentially. But the point of our video today is to give you something working, to give you something that you can implement as soon as this week. First thing first, how do we use AI to make money? Well, AI works with prompts. If you don't have the right prompt, AI is going to give you AI slop. It doesn't matter which tool you use, ChatGPT, Claude AI, Manus, it doesn't matter. All of these tools, they need the proper prompts. There's a website called promptbase.com. You can get a lot of prompts from here, but what I like to do is I like to create my own prompts. And I'm going to show you what I do in just a second. But now, first thing first is how you actually make money with AI. Well, someone has to buy something in order for you to make money. Either you have to produce content or you have to create a product that you can sell. There are a bunch of ways. Like I see people on Etsy making pretty good money selling wedding gifts, selling them for $18. And if you have 30,000 testimonials, you're making pretty good money. We're talking about hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. But obviously you have to create a product, and most of these products are physical products. Another way is to create a digital product. This is Gumroad, and in Gumroad I can type copywriting lessons or course. That's a course right there. Build a business that makes you hundreds of dollars a day. It sells for $297 and it already has almost 500 testimonials or reviews, which means this person is making $2,000 to $3,000 selling just one digital product, which is the case with me. I have a bunch of digital products. The hybrid model I wanted to talk about with you today, which is the one that can make you $4,000 to $5,000 a month and even more for free. The model I'm using is called back to the roots, being social. What people seek more and more nowadays, they need social interaction, because with all these devices, iPhones, Samsung phones, and Instagram and TikTok, people are getting anti-social. So they're looking now back to the roots to get social with other people. So what we do, we create communities with people around a specific topic. The topic can be anything. It could be hobbies, music, money, spirituality, tech, health, sports, self-improvement, relationships, and so on and so forth. The first thing you need to do, and that's how you make money for free, is go on Facebook. And this is the website in the beginning that I told you that a lot of people neglect and have forgotten about it. But Facebook is still very, very powerful. You create your community or group here on Facebook. And I have a lot of them. I've created a bunch of them. Actually, I have this one. I have this one is mine. And I'm going to show the logic and how it works to make money with Facebook and school using the AI system. Now, the first community, this is actually a Bulgarian community. It's about mountain hiking. And we already have like 4,000 people in it. It's about a hobby, right? So one of my buddies, he's a mountain guide. He's a mountaineer. He guides people in the mountain and he charges money for that. So we've created, and I helped him to create this community so he can actually get clients out of the community, and he's now actually making some money from it. Not a lot, but some. But my better example is my own community, my own group on Facebook. I've created this one called Affiliate Intelligence. We're already at 42,000 members. And keep in mind, I started this community with 0 members, similar to the hiking community, 0 members. But the best part is that if you start posting here, Facebook will start bringing you more and more people who are searching for a specific problem or issue or niche to join. And the process is the following. I'm going to show you a very cool example. This guy is Ben Heath. He is a master in Facebook advertisement. So what he does, he has a school community. But before the school community, how he gets clients in it? Well, he has a Facebook group with almost 300,000 members. I'm telling you, people neglect Facebook. People are focusing on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, which is fine. It's cool. It's the new thing. It's the trendy thing. It's the trendy thing. But it's a lot of competition. Whereas Facebook groups, almost no competition. Very few people are creating Facebook groups nowadays. So from here, what he does, and I'm going to show you, it's mind-boggling. He takes people from his free community. This is a free Facebook group for Meta ads. He takes people from here and he brings them here into his school community. And guys, in his school community, he has only 51 members. Okay, 51 members out of 200,000, 290,000. But these 50 members are paying him $600 a month. So if we do the math, 51 members times 595 equals to $30,000 a month from just 50 members, right? So this is the power of free communities on Facebook, and then you migrate people to your own paid community on school. Here's another example. This is again similar guy into the same niche, Facebook Ads Mastery. Same thing, Facebook ads. He has 48 members. This guy is charging $147. Do the math again, and this guy uses the same system. Free traffic from Facebook groups to a paid community on school. So now let's get you started. I'm using a tool called Manus AI. You can use Claude AI or Manus AI or even ChatGPT, but I like to use Manus because it's very handy. So you don't have to be a professional into Facebook ads to create a community. You can create a community around any type of topic. So what I'm going to say here, this is very specific prompts in Manus AI. Hey Manus, I want to create a free Facebook group about my hobby, which is mountain biking. I want to teach people some cool tricks and tips that I've learned throughout all of the years that I've been mountain biking, so they can improve their biking style. They can reduce the falling because a lot of people fall from the mountain bike. And eventually I want to start making money from this group on Facebook by taking people out of the free group and moving them or migrating them to a paid school community. Please ask me qualifying questions that you can use and guide me on how to create this group, what kind of posts I should post, and what kind of messaging I should use. So this is the lengthy prompt. If we hit send, Manus is going to start asking me questions so it can better understand what I'm trying to do and who am I and all about my hobby. So it asks about my experience, about my monetization goals, about your content messaging, etc., etc. I want you to create an image, and the post topic is going to be how I do a backflip. I'm going to do similar post but with ChatGPT, and I'm going to upload my image in here, and I'm also saying put my face in it. So I have two variants, from Manus AI and from ChatGPT. And as you can see, guys, the post from ChatGPT is ready and it looks pretty cool. It's my face in it. So in order for me to get the perfect post or the perfect image for my post, I need to use something called prompting best practices. This is from Claude API Docs. This is from Anthropic, and they have best practices for you to get the best results from AI. And this again applies to all AI tools. Be clear and direct. This is a less effective example. This is the bad example. Create an analytics dashboard. Too broad, too vague. This is the more effective. Create an analytics dashboard. Include as many relevant features and instructions as possible. Go beyond the basics to create the fully featured implementation. Okay, this is good. And then this is also very important. Adding context to improve performance to any AI tool. This is the bad example. Never use ellipses. Okay, if you don't give context to the AI tool, it's not going to understand why, and it's going to be less effective. But here, this is the more effective. Your response will be read aloud by a text-to-speech engine. So never use ellipses, since the text-to-speech engine will not know how to pronounce them. Got it? So this is very important. Now, the AI tool understands why you tell them to not use specific things, for example, ellipses. Coming back to Manus AI, now it created much kind of a better post, I think, or image, more realistic. And now it also created the Facebook ad copy. So it's right here. Let's close this image. And this is The post copy, I mean, not the ad. The backflip, the one trick that separates I ride bikes from I live on bikes. So it's very cool. Of course, you read this and you tweak it your way to sound like you. But the point being here is that it saves you a ton of time writing. So you just can change a bunch of things and just post it on your group. Now, coming back to the group. In the beginning, you're not going to have any people. Obviously, you're going to have 0 people in these communities. So the first thing you need to do is invite fellow mountain bikers or friends, people who are already into your community, people who you already know, people that know what you're doing and they might enjoy content. Once you do so, you start posting in these group communities on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, and slowly but maturely, you're going to start seeing new members joining. And as you can see, even in my own community here, Affiliate Intelligence, I have a link in the About section, because in each group on Facebook, you can link an external website. And what I have linked here, I've linked my own community on School Profit Avengers, where we teach people how to make money with affiliate marketing. Claude AI or Manos AI to create the classrooms in the school community, because here in this community, people pay money, right? In Facebook, it's a free community. People don't pay money. But in order for people to have an initiative to pay you money, you have to give them something. So in school, we have a lot of digital courses. We have live coaching calls, so we have a calendar. So every Thursday, my business partner Mark actually jumps on a live call with our paid members to share with them the trendy topics, affiliate offers of the week, affiliate offers of the month, how he's currently making money, how we are currently onboarding more people and more members to our other projects with affiliate and CPA marketing, etc., etc. So basically, people receive a little bit more than the free community. But the point here is, on the free community, people actually see who you are as a person, what you do. And the purpose of this free community is to make people trust you and believe in you. And after that, everything is easy, because once people understand who you are and they like you, there is no problem for them to spend money on a monthly basis to be part of your vision, of your team, of your tribe per se. Because I don't see communities as just making money machine. I see communities as a long-term relationship between me and my people. I give them a lot of value and they pay me money for that. So everybody gets something out of it. On top of that, a lot of people are connecting with each other in these communities, and you can see amazing results by people creating entire businesses together who met on school. I actually met a person on school that I'm working with him currently. We have a project together, so it's a pretty cool way to find new business partnerships as well. There's another example of a person making $4,600 a month on school, and what he does, he doesn't teach meta ads or marketing or copywriting, none of that. What he does teach is chess. Improve your chess. That's it. He has 50 members and he charges $99 a month. That equals to about $4,000, and that's him, by the way. That's his Jonas deal, teaching chess, making $4,000 a month. I think this is the best business model ever, because you do what you love. He loves playing chess, and you get paid to teach people what you already love and what you're already doing. That's it. Now, use AI as a leverage. Use AI to come up with posts, AI to come up with a structure of your community. For example, I don't think he wrote this. Maybe this is all AI generated. The point being is, you're the main face, you're the person, AI is the helper. You can actually go on school.com and see all of these communities. This is into sports, making $5,000, $4,000 a month, $3,000 a month, $1,000 a month, right? But be patient. This is not going to happen overnight. Overnight, you're not going to start making $5,000 a month. And keep in mind, $5,000 a month can be life-changing. But if something is for free, it's going to require something in return to happen. And this something is your time. You need to put time into creating these web properties. If you don't want to wait, you can use meta ads. I'm using meta ads for different digital products, but they cost money. So if you don't want to spend time, you have to spend money, and vice versa. As simple as that. So guys, let me know if you like this type of a video. If you did so, please like it, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. And from here, what you need to do is to diversify your cash flow portfolio. And to do so, I have a special video in the top or left corner where I show you 5 additional ways on how you can make money using Claude AI as a complete beginner. So click it left or right, I will see you there.